Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. Have you always dreamed of making money online? A lot of people are doing it right now. There are many opportunities on the internet which you can take advantage of. This video will show you what you should look out for when searching for that golden opportunity to make money. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Take surveys. There are a huge number of surveys available online. They can be a good way to make money. But depending on the type of survey or which website is hosting it, you can make a few dollars or only a few cents, so learn which sites to avoid. But the great thing about them is that you can do them while watching TV or during other free time. Put the money in savings and you will see it grow over time. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. You can see that making money online is very possible. You just need good information to point you in the right way. Just remember that you will need to put in time and effort on it. Nothing will be handed to you on a silver platter. However, if you put in the effort, you will reap your rewards. Student loan.